Welcome to Junior Mining Insights. I'm Ryan Long, and joining me today is Patrick Cheetham, Executive Chairman of AIM-listed Tertiary Minerals. Patrick, it's been a busy time for Tertiary right now. You've just finished one drill program at Mishima North. You have an ongoing drill program at Konkola West with Cobalt Metals, and a drill program's planned at Brunton Pass. But we're not here to talk about that today. We're here to talk about Mukai. Mukai, the drill rig has just got started. So what's going on, Patrick?
Yeah, so Ryan, as you say, really busy and really quite an exciting time at the moment as well. You know, our Mukai project in Zambia is a joint venture with First Quantum Minerals. And just by way of background, just worth bearing in mind really that we only signed our joint venture with First Quantum back in August, and since then we've been working on getting all the necessary consents for exploration. But we're kind of delighted that First Quantum have moved so quickly to start drilling. So the things that we've been doing basically are getting primarily two consents that we needed for the drilling. One was a tribal consent, and the other is consent from the forestry department because a lot of this area is forest. So there's a new chief in this area, was installed earlier this year, and we're the first company to get that tribal consent for exploration. So that's come through recently. We have the forest consent, and yeah, so that's allowed First Quantum to get started. So yeah, the fact they've started drilling so quickly is great.
That's great news, Patrick. How big is this drill program going to be, and what is the target here?
So the forestry consent that we have is for a program of up to 12 holes. So, but we're approaching that, or should I say First Quantum are approaching that in two phases. So the first phase is where drilling is underway now, and that's for up to 6 holes. The holes are ranging sort of 350 to 400 meters in depth. That's the planned depth. And the holes are targeting a large soil anomaly that we defined last year in our soil sampling. So that target is about 1,800 meters by 800 meters wide, and it runs up to the boundary with First Quantum's mining lease, which is covering their Sentinel mining project. So they've been doing drilling on the adjoining licenses, a prospect which they call Tirosa, and getting good drill results. So we're hopeful that will extend onto our ground because the anomaly continues, and in fact it seems to be stronger on our ground than in the adjacent ground.
It seems like this project's in an exciting area of Zambia right now, with a few other operators doing some interesting work there as well.
Yeah, so I mean, literally we are next door to the Sentinel mining project. So this is a major copper producer for First Quantum, producing at a rate of about 55 million tonnes a year. And the whole structure of our JV is aimed at finding additional ore to go into this process plant. First Quantum are also operating the Enterprise nickel mine on the same licenses, and we're just 18 kilometres east of the ground that's held by ARC Minerals, where Anglo American is earning an interest, with it's an $88.5 million JV deal for ARC Minerals, and we think that, as far as we understand, drilling is underway with Anglo as well. So really, yeah, this is a really exciting area, a lot of work going on, a very hot area.
How long do you anticipate this drill program's going to take?
Yes, so I'm a little bit cautious there. Anyone who's followed our Konkola West project will know that we got it badly wrong when we thought how long the drilling would take. And in fact, drilling is still going on at Konkola West, and it's, again, it's another exciting project. But, it's we do have the added complication here that we are now just starting the wet season. So it's hard to predict how that will progress and how that will affect the program. So there's no guarantee this program will get completed this particular point in time. It very much depends on the progress of that wet season.
Okay. Well, Patrick Cheetham, Executive Chairman of Tertiary Minerals, thank you very much for joining us. Please come back and update us on developments at Mukai as and when the results are ready.
Sure will. Thank you very much, Ryan.